Hi everyone, welcome to Programming School. In the continuation of the series, now I am going to explain about prefix to postfix expression. In postfix to prefix, we are starting from the left to right. We are traversing the string from left to right. But here in prefix, we have to reverse that. Something we have to trace from right to left. That's it. The same operation in the postfix to prefix, but here we are doing with right to left. That's it. That means we are going to start from here to here. For example, the first character is going to be D here. If it is an operand, then we have to insert into the stack. If it is an operator, we have to delete the last two operands, and we have to make a string, and we have to append into the stack again. I'm moving into the example here. D I am going to insert into stack, and the top is representing it here. Now C also I am going to insert into the stack, and the top is updated. Now subtraction here. Now what we have to do, we have to pop the two values C and D, and we have to make like this CD, and we have to put that subtraction after the two operands, and this is string. This string we have to place in the stack again. We have to delete these two, and now top is at last position 0. Now the operand is going to be B here, then top is updated, then A is going to be pushed into the stack, and the top is updated, and now it is addition operation. Now we have to pop the last two operands, and we have to make a string like this AB plus, and we have to delete all these things, and top is going to be like at here, and we have to make a string like this. And what is the next one? The next one is going to be operator, then that is going to be star, and if the operator is came, just we have to delete the last two operands, that is AB plus CD minus, and we have to concatenate the star in the last position, and we have to place this in the here, and that is the last value of the, that is the last value, right? That is the last value of the string, and this is the output. That means this is the postfix expression for the prefix expression. Okay, that's it for this video. Just try to execute the same thing for take some other examples, and just comment it. Thank you for this. Thank you guys. Bye.